Just go and start for free, and you have a website. Sign up for an Amazon affiliate, put your affiliate link here, set a custom time, and schedule all your drafts with this automated tool. With 445 million monthly active users, some of them could click on your affiliate link and become your customers. With this strategy, you will earn money and your dashboard will look like this. It will just take a little effort because all the different ways to make money online using ChatGPT. This is one of the best and most reliable. All you have to do is follow this strategy and you will earn commissions. I will explain step by step. All you need to do is watch this video till the end and you will make money. Now, let's go to the video. For this method, we will need to follow several steps. First, we need to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Second, we will visit the website Mixo.io, which will create a website for us in just a few seconds. Third, we will create an account on Pinterest, as it attracts 445 million monthly visitors. Fourth, we will use Tailwind to automate all of our pins with just a few clicks. Fifth, we will use ChatGPT for our pins and descriptions on our website. All of these resources are absolutely free. By combining these websites, you can start making money. Now let me show you how this strategy works in detail. The first step you'll need to do is sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. Just click on the Sign Up button and follow the simple instructions to get started. To get your affiliate link, open the product and click on Text above it, and then copy your link. It's really easy. Next, we need to choose which niche we will be in. For example, for the purposes of this video, I have chosen the travel niche. Here, we can offer products such as bags, boots, gas, tents, and many other products. The next step is to create a website. Don't worry, it's not complicated. You just need to go to the Mixo.io website and click Get Started for free. We'll add what our site is about and watch the magic happen. And when you go to save and customize, just log in with your Google account. Then, when you see this table, go down and press the option to continue for free. You have everything you need: a logo, name, testimonials, buttons, and a full site. Your job is just to make a few changes, such as changing images, adding product descriptions, and including your affiliate links. For the product descriptions, simply copy the product name, go to ChatGPT, and ask it to write a description for each Amazon product with bullet points. We will copy the description and bullet points and add them to our website. We will also take our affiliate links and add them here. This website will serve as our landing page, and all of this will take you about 10 minutes. It's very easy. Now it's time to drive traffic so we can make money, and we're going to do that using Pinterest. In case you're not aware, Pinterest can drive a significant amount of organic traffic. In my personal experience, it's the best platform to begin with due to its simplicity. All you need to do is sign up for a free account at Pinterest.com and start posting. Here, we can see some examples of how some people do it. And if we click on their link, we'll be redirected to their site. From there, if we click, we'll go directly to Amazon. The process is straightforward. Upload your image, include a title and description, which can be copied from ChatGPT. And most importantly, add your website link. And yes, we won't make these pins every day. They will be automated to post every day without us having to do anything. For that, we will need the next tool, Tailwind, which is also free. Tailwind is a user-friendly tool that offers automation, scheduling, and design features for creating and posting multiple pins on social media. By uploading brand elements and text, it generates designs in seconds and schedules pins to be posted at optimal times. It also helps you reach the right audience with the use of relevant keywords. To begin, sign up for Tailwind. After signing up, you will see a dashboard where you can create pins. To create a pin, click the Create icon on the left-hand panel of the dashboard. This will take you to the brand settings page where you can add your brand information like your website or brand name, brand colors, and brand fonts. You can also choose from curated font pairings. Once you add your brand information, you can start creating Pinterest pins. To do this, simply add your title text in the title text field. Tailwind will generate pins based on the text you entered. You can also upload photos and adjust the colors and layout of the pin to match your brand. When you finish creating your pins, use the Smart Scheduler to schedule them at the best times for engagement with your audience on Pinterest. You can also vary the title text and add descriptions before scheduling drafts to be posted on a selected board. To do that, we'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a Pinterest pin title for this product. We will then copy the title and paste it into the title field. Next, we will ask it to give us a description of this product for Pinterest. We will copy the description and paste it into the description field. In the field for the link, we will insert our website URL and select our board. Finally, we will select the date and time for when our pin will be uploaded. Now with this tool, you can schedule 5 to 6 pins to be posted daily, and you only have to do it once, and you will have pins for the entire month. Let's see the end result of how everything turns out. We have a title, a description, an image, and our website link. When we click on the link, it takes us to our website. If we click Buy Now, we are redirected to Amazon, and if the customer buys the product, we receive a commission. This method is the best for passive income. You only need to schedule 5 to 6 pins to be posted daily, and your profile will start growing, and you will have hundreds or thousands of followers. You need to be persistent with this method, and you will start making money because today, anyone can make money online. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video, as it will motivate me to make more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.